Possible Finance and Cleo both help people cover short-term cash needs, but they charge for different services. That means a cheaper option depends on which features you actually use, not just which app you download. By the end, you'll know how their pricing models differ, and which app is likely to cost less for your situation. Start with Possible Finance. Possible Finance is designed around small installment loans. If you're approved, you borrow money and repay it over multiple scheduled payments, instead of paying everything back on your next payday. Because it's a loan product, the total cost depends on the loan terms offered to you, which can vary based on your location and eligibility. Now look at Cleo. Cleo is primarily a personal finance and budgeting app that also offers cash advance features to eligible users. Instead of focusing only on borrowing, it combines budgeting insights, spending analysis, and money management tools inside a chat-based interface. Some features may require a paid membership, while others are available without one. The biggest difference is what you're paying for. With Possible Finance, you're paying for access to an installment loan if you're approved. That can make sense if you need more time to repay borrowed money instead of paying it back all at once. With Cleo, you're often paying for access to premium financial tools and, depending on your eligibility, cash advance features. If you mainly want budgeting help and only occasionally need a cash advance, Cleo's overall value may be better than using a loan-focused app. Now think about your actual goal. If your priority is borrowing money and repaying it over several scheduled payments, Possible Finance is built specifically for that purpose. If your priority is managing your budget while keeping the option of requesting a cash advance when eligible, Cleo offers a broader financial management experience. Before choosing either app, review the current pricing, membership costs, loan terms, and optional expedited transfer fees shown inside the app. Those costs can change over time, and the amount you pay depends on the services you decide to use. So which one is cheaper? If you only need budgeting tools and occasional financial insights, Cleo may cost less because you might not need to borrow at all. If you specifically need an installment loan with structured repayment, Possible Finance may be the better fit, despite the borrowing costs that come with loan products. The best choice is the one that matches your financial need instead of paying for features you'll never use. If this comparison helped you decide between Possible Finance and Cleo, like the video and subscribe for more app comparisons, money guides, and financial troubleshooting tips.